My name is Ellery Moyna. I am a recent civil engineering graduate from McGill University. I've started a full-time job with a construction management company 2 months ago. And I've been going through the recent graduate interview process. That's been my life for the last little bit. Coming into engineering was a bit of a surprise for me, not to anyone else who knew me, but it was for me. My parents predicted engineering from a young age. I had to follow directions very precisely, especially when it came to baking, and numbers to me made much more sense than anything else. In high school, I loved art and I painted and I built my portfolio for architecture, but upon reflection about kind of what my future would look like in architecture, I realized engineering was a good place to start. I had the mathematical background that could carry me through the degree, and it didn't close any doors to enter the world of architecture if that's something I wanted to do. Ultimately, in my degree in undergraduate, I realized engineering is amazing, and it wasn't a profession I wanted to leave anytime soon. I am fascinated by engineering design, and I love seeing technology move the field forward. But starting off, I wanted to be in the field and I wanted to be on the construction site. I think that having the construction site experience and understanding constructability of structures was probably the best place I could start my career off in. So I work on a construction site every single day. I am based in a trailer. It's a trailer set up with little offices, computer, and we've got amazing windows that overlook the site. So as I work on my computer, looking at the project, I look out the window and see on site the project in front of me, and that kind of applicability is 100% what I wanted. I wanted to see everything happening in real life, in real time. I primarily help a project manager. I help him with scheduling, whether it's day-to-day, week-to-week, monthly, or full-term schedules. You need to understand where there's flexibility and where there isn't, and winter and weather days are a big thing I'm learning about, and how to incorporate weather into a schedule that's meant to be, our building will be 3 years. From its first excavation to the day it's finished will be 3 years, and taking in 3 winters, you know, it's Toronto. Sometimes they suck and sometimes they're amazing, and how to work with that and how to maintain relationships with consultants and subcontractors has been another amazing thing I've learned about. Some of them are really easy to work with and some of them are not, and you have to figure out where to fight and where to give, because doing too much of one or the other could result in a detrimental decision.